Oh my goodness. Now let's see. Let's look at the long A sounds here, okay? So this is going to be the A sound. What's this word, Henry?
Make.
Good. What's this word?
Today.
Good. What about favorite? Good. Cake. Favorite. What's this one?
Birthday.
Birthday. Birthday. Good. Birthday. And this last one?
Consistent.
Occasion. Occasion.
Occasion.
Occasion. Good. An occasion is like a special time. So your birthday is a big occasion. Chinese New Year is a big occasion. So it's a big time. Okay, very good. It's a time. Let's see. Can you read this part for me, Henry?
Today is my favorite.
Favorite. Favorite.
Favorite. Occasion.
Yes.
Occasion. It's my birthday, and I'm going to make a cake.
Excellent, Henry. Very, very good. High five. Okay. Very good, Henry. Great.